So in this haircut, we are going to be doing a graduated bob. So as you can see, I'm taking the very first section, holding my fingers in a 45-degree angle, longer at the top by the occipital bone, shorter at the neck where my fingertips are, so that we can build that graduation. Now, I'm going to take diagonal sections. That was my guide. That last section is my guide for this section. So as you can see, I'm taking a 45-degree angle, over directing it to that previous section, basically just combing it down into that previous section so I know how short to cut the current section. And I'm going to continue taking these A-line sections, working my way up the head, slightly lifting so that the graduation starts to build, and again just using the section underneath as my guide. Now, I'm going to work the graduation all the way on the right side. Once I've completed the right side, I will then do the graduation on the left side. Alright, so now that I've cut the graduation on the right side, you can see I'm starting to do the graduation on the left side. I'm going to do the exact same thing, holding my fingers in a 45-degree angle, longer at the top by the occipital bone, shorter at the neck, so that I can build that graduation. I'm going to continue to take A-line sections, working my way up the head, as you can see, slightly lifting so I can start to build the graduation. So, not a whole lot to explain, basically just going to do the exact same thing I did on the right side that I'm going to do now on the left side. Alright, so as you can see, the hair has now been dried. I am now combing the hair straight down to establish the outline for the bangs. So, I'm going to finish cutting the bangs and then we will wrap up the haircut here shortly. Alright, so we come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this graduated bob video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, hey, don't forget to hit me up in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching. Check out that graduation, how it builds up, makes the hair look nice and full at the top, but nice and clean down by the neck. Alright, thanks so much.